Right, here we are, outside my Umber loft. And as you can see, let's see. Now I'm going to have a good look at the floor and the drop-down stuff, but right now everything looks absolutely cool. Nut brown drop-in, so you can't argue with that. Look at all that, see? So there we go. This is my team. I'm thinking about sending 15, maybe more, to Wetherby. I think it's 151 for me tonight. We didn't go yesterday for some reason, I don't know, but we're basketing tonight for a race tomorrow, Wetherby. I'm sure it's 151. Now this is these have already been to, it was, where was it again? God, it was the second, Morpeth. That's where they've been to. They've only been to Morpeth, these pigeons, but they've done it. They were the dudes that came in. Last week I was, what, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. I got 5 pigeons in a row. I mean, and this week I got, woof, I lost 26. Well, there you go, so this is what's left for racing, 25. But as you can see, the droppings on my floor is absolutely 100%. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. They're broken down pretty much with the mold, that's why they're looking a bit rough. But other than that, they look fine, I mean. So I'm going to take a chance with them tonight and send them to the racing, so, I mean, as I say. See, this is what you want in your loft. You want life. Come on in. Come on in. Come on, son. Look at that lovely young coat standing right there. Eh? Come. Come on, son. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So as you can see, everything is good. Everything is good. No wet drop-ins. You know, no wet perches, nothing's been sick. So we'll take a chance with them tonight and we'll see. Okay, okay. Right, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery cheery.